Hi everyone, this is Teresa with our Green Acres. Today's video is going to be 2 thrifted decor flips and a Dollar Tree DIY. And as always, I hope you get some inspiration and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, decor flip number 1 is going to be a wicker mannequin form. I found it at a consignment store for $5. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to bring it home because I love mannequin forms and I do not have one that's wicker. So it was red, and I just took some spray paint and I used heirloom white satin and I gave it a good coat of spray paint, and then I went over it, which I don't show in the video, but I also went over it with some ivory colored chalk paint just to tone down the shininess of the spray paint. Okay, decor flip number 2 is going to be another mannequin form. This actually I did not realize was a candle holder. I've had this for several years and I picked it up I think at a yard sale and maybe paid $1 for it. But the little cage where the skirt is, one of those little panels opens up and you can put a candle inside of it, and never knew that. So anyway, I did the same spray paint on it. That was heirloom white. I gave it a good coat of spray paint, and then I'm just going to show you how you can decorate it and just add embellishments to this. So here I just took some scrap fabric that I had and some ribbons, and I just tied them along the bottom of the wire panels, and I just made like a little, just a little full skirt just to add a little bit of detail, and then I'm going to add some other embellishments. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, I hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel and also share the video with your friends. This is a Dollar Tree DIY. I have a previous video of where I upcycled some clipboards from the Dollar Tree. I got 3, and I'll link that video in the description box. But basically you chalk paint them and you just dress the clipboards. So for $1 and a free printable and some Elmer's glue glue stick, you can just make some really nice little embellished clipboards. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. And I also want to mention there will be a link to Totally Dazzled in my description box, so you can go out and shop their website if you liked any of the bling that you saw in today's video. And I also want to give a shout out to the post on my home decor page, and I want to give a shout out to Amy, Deidre, a big welcome to Melanie and Trudy, Martha, and we hit 1,000 followers, y'all. So we have 1,000 members in our group. So Missy yesterday pushed us over the edge. Thanks y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.